Hello friends, welcome to my channel Take an etc. Today I'll show you my Redmi Note 8 phone, how to reset this phone. This is my Redmi Note 8 4GB RAM 64GB ROM quad core 2.01 GHz phone. Okay, let's start it. First, you have to power off this phone. Let's see. Okay, power off my phone, and now you use power key and volume up button. And here is three option: reboot, wipe data, and connect with MI assistant. And use volume down key and up key for upward and downward, and for enter you should use power button. So through down key wipe data, and for enter you use power button. Okay, then wipe all data, enter. Confirm of all data. Okay, using volume down key confirm it, and then for enter you use power button, confirm. It started and wipe successfully. Then you use enter key, that is power button key. Then you should reboot this phone once, reboot the system. Okay, and it will be restart. It will take some time. Now it's starting. Now you have to log in this page. Active the device. Now as my phone already connected through MI, so I have to sign in this phone. Okay, I put my password in this. Now activate. Could not verify MI account because of first you have to connect network. Now my phone is connected, and now active. Now my phone is open, and you have to set up as new phone. Okay, first choose your language, English, then India. Terms and condition. because of there is no SIM card, so insert SIM card. Skip this. It's checking for some update, and like this you can reset your phone, MI phone. Now if you want to copy some apps or data, you should next to copy some this, and don't copy. Now if you want to sign in any Gmail, then you can use your email. Like this you can reset your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Tech and etc.